Okie doke. For your maths task today, we are going to practice adding and jumping forwards on the number line, and we're going to practice taking away or subtraction and going backwards on the number line. Okay, now some of you have practiced this at school, so I think you're going to be really good at it and your mums and dads are going to be so impressed. Okay, now you can do your number line or your number track to number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you could do it to number 10. Okay, 1 to 10, or you could do it 1 to 20. Okay, now you don't need to rush, take your time and make sure you get all of your numbers in. Okay, if you need a little bit of adult help, then you just ask them. Okay, but make sure mummies and daddies don't do it for you. You can have a go by yourselves. All right, then find yourself a little toy. It could be a car. I've got a little cube. Okay, and I think we'll start on number 1. Let me use my 1 to 10 number track. Okay, mummies and daddies are going to make some questions for you. Okay, an example is, shall we do fairy tales, because that's our topic, isn't it? All right, if I had 1 fairy tale castle and I built 3 more, am I going to jump forwards on the number line, on the number track, or am I going to jump backwards? If I built 4 more, is my number of castles going to get bigger or smaller? You're right, it's going to get bigger. Okay, so if I had 1 castle, put my block on 1, and I've got to jump 4 times because I've built 4 more. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super. How many fairy tale castles will I have now? That's right, I will have 5 castles. Fantastic. Should we have another go? Oh, this time, what should we have? Okay, this time I'm going to have, I have got 3 houses. Okay, find your number 3. Can you see it? Here it is. If I had 3 houses and then the big bad wolf came along and blew down 2, is my number of houses going to get bigger or smaller? It's going to get smaller because I'm taking away, or the big bad wolf is taking away. Should we do it on our fingers first and check it? 3 houses and the big bad wolf blows down 2. How many have I got left? Let's have a look on our number track. You ready? 3 houses. Let's move backwards because we're taking away 2. Are you ready? 1, 2. How many houses will I have left? Only 1 house left. Fantastic. Shall we have a go with my number track to 20? Oh, this is going to be super tricky. Here it is. Okay, my question is, I'm going to make it a hard one. If I had 10 unicorns, can you find my number 10? Here it is, all the way in the middle. 10 unicorns, and then I found 7 more unicorns. Will my number get bigger or smaller if I found 7 more? I think you're right, it's going to get bigger, isn't it? Because we're adding 7 more. 10 add 7. Let's do 7 jumps. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Super. Make sure you go nice and slow so we don't make any mistakes. How many unicorns will I have now? Super. 17 unicorns. Well done. Okay, last one. Oh, this time I'm going to have 20 magic beans. Okay, 20 magic beans, and then my naughty mum, my naughty mummy, threw 5 of them out of the window. Am I going to go forwards on my number line or am I going to go backwards? That's right, I'm going to go backwards because I'm taking away. Are you ready to take away 5 magic beans? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have a look. How many magic beans have we got left? A 1 and a 5. It's not 15. It's 15. Super. Well done. Now, when you've had a go with your little number track, like Miss Hollinshead's, you could have a go like Daisy and get some chalk and do a big number track outside, okay, or on the wall, and you could practice going forwards and backwards on your number track at home, okay? Have fun.